there a way to be able to schedule reports to be sent to individuals or sent to the individual themselves or to other people on their team?
Yeah, so I'll go ahead and navigate over to the reports module. So there is a couple ways that we can go about that. So one way that I like to do is you can do that from this list view. So if I click this action buttons, you can see here there's a create a schedule or even the view schedule. So if I haven't created any before, I'll go ahead and just hit create. And now I'm able to actually schedule and set how often I want this to be sent. So if I want this to be weekly, I can say, okay, this is going to start weekly, and then I can select the specific day I want it to start. So maybe every day on Monday, or sorry, every week on Monday, I want to receive this report at, we'll just go ahead and say, we'll get it first thing in the morning, say 10 o'clock. And if I go ahead and just call this weekly contact birthday report. Now that I hit save, I've actually set up. So now every Monday at 10 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to get a report that shows me exactly who has an upcoming birthday in this case. If I actually click on this link, you can see here that right now I'm the only one getting the email. But if I needed other people to be involved and also get this, all I got to do is click this little action button there, and then I link to an existing record, and I can select any users I'd want. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and pull in Charles and grab Jane. Once I've hit add, you can see again, they are related to this record. And now they're also going to receive that email every week, specifically at 10 o'clock, just when I get it as well. And just so that people are aware, if we wanted to deactivate this and we didn't want to receive this any longer, I can just hit edit, I can check this box, save that again, and now I no longer have to worry about receiving these alerts or these reports every week.
Amazing, that's great. Now, Dallin, when it comes to users and adding other people, can these users be external people from your organization, or are they always internal users in your organization, or does it matter?
These would generally be internal users in your system. If you have an external group user, you might be able to send one to them, but primarily we focus on just using this for internal users.
All right, perfect, good to know.